Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss like when we have to use static let with enum and when we have to use it with struct. Basically, whenever you are having some naming, when you want to have some constants in a file that you could use throughout the app, then it's better to go ahead with enum. So enum would be helpful using in the namespaces, like whatever namings you were having and you want to have it in the constants file, like whatever strings you want that are hard coded and you want like they might change in future, so you should have one place like you can change it at one place and it can reflect in throughout the app. In those places enum statics are the very best choice for yours. You will say like I can do it in the struct, but with the struct we have one disadvantage is like we can have some network constants, and these network constants can have their own instances. So you will say, okay, don't worry, I will be having a private init and I will be solving this problem. Correct, you can solve this problem using the private init, but the point is like, let's say in future you by chance commented out this line and a developer made a instance of it, then so whenever you only need a file for the naming conventions only, you want only naming constants, then it's better to go ahead with the enums because you do not have an overhead of or a risk of getting an instance being created. So that is why enums are the best approach for this. And then another question that can come up is like, okay, so sometimes you might have some values that are could be, you do not want to have them as static, you want that they should be computed and you do not want in future like you can explore them, like you can expose them to the entire app without any without any instance being created. You do not want to be having at constants. In those scenarios enums won't be a correct choice, because let's say if you are making some values as a as equals to hello, you can create you cannot create because it does not allow you so to create these values without any instance, because enums only allowed instance creation with the cases only and not with these values. So when you do not have the cases in this enum, then how you can create the instance? In those scenarios you cannot access these values. Either you have to make them static kind of, or you have to go ahead with the struct. With struct you have this advantage, like if you keep a private, you can comment out this line and you can take this line over here, it will not cry. So in future if you want to have the particular instance of it, you can go ahead and have them, or maybe you can have it a static, you can have some shared instance. Let's say you have a shared instance network constants, so the structs help you to have those, and then you can get those values like network constants choose, and I do have them as static, and then you can access them. A singleton class is ready. In those scenarios when you might think like, okay, I might have an overhead of all these things, go ahead with the struct. But if you want like only I want some naming conventions, nothing else, I do not want to have some computed properties, I do not want to put some values struct to or stick them to a object creation, then enums are the best approach. But if your requirements might change in future, go ahead with the struct conventions only and you can use those struct static constants. So this is a basic video like telling like what are the difference in each, because you can have static computed properties in both, static stored properties in both. Only you cannot have is basic these kind of properties that are not static. So you want like you have some object creations that might held up in future, then go ahead with the structs, else go with the enum only, because without cases enum does not allow us for making instance, and that's the best part. And we will be free of like we can save some kind of memory, like we do not have an overhead of making an object. So this was a basic video all about. So this might come up into an interview, like when you want to use enum and interview might say, okay, now I'm doing it was struck, what's the basic difference? So it's nothing the difference, no difference. It's like enum helps us with the more like we can say naming semantics, like we have just only enum and that's only constant, so we are just having some clean code with the enum. So that's for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.